Dancing Through Doubt. 12-year-old Mia had always been mesmerized by the graceful movements of dancers she saw on TV or in her small town's annual talent show. But every time she considered joining the local dance studio, fear would clutch at her heart. What if I'm not good enough? She would think. What if everyone laughs at me? Her family knew of her hidden passion. Mia's older brother, Jason, often caught her twirling in the kitchen when she thought no one was looking. "You should give it a try, Mia," he said one day. "You'll never know unless you do." But Mia would shake her head, feeling the weight of her doubts. One day, the school announced a talent showcase to celebrate the end of the year. Mia's best friend, Sophia, was planning to play the piano. "You should sign up for the dance category," Sophia urged. Mia's stomach churned at the thought. "What if I mess up?" she whispered. Sophia took her hands. "Mia, everyone messes up. It's about doing what you love, not being perfect." Something about those words stuck with Mia. That evening, she stood in front of her bedroom mirror and played a video of a simple dance routine. Clumsily at first, she tried to mimic the movements. Each stumble felt like proof of her fears, but she kept at it. By the next week, Mia had decided to face her fear. She signed up for the showcase and began practicing after school. Jason helped by playing music while she rehearsed in the living room, cheering her on with goofy applause when she nailed a move. Though doubt still lingered, her excitement began to grow. The night of the showcase arrived. Backstage, Mia's heart pounded. She peeked out to see the crowd and felt her palms grow clammy. When her name was called, she nearly bolted for the exit, but Sophia's voice echoed in her mind. "It's about doing what you love, not being perfect." Mia took a deep breath and stepped onto the stage. As the music started, she felt a wave of panic. But then she remembered how much she enjoyed dancing when no one was watching. She closed her eyes for a moment, letting the rhythm guide her. Slowly, her movements became more fluid. The audience faded away as she poured her heart into every step. When the music ended, the crowd erupted in applause. Mia opened her eyes and saw her parents beaming, Jason on his feet, and Sophia clapping wildly. A wave of relief and joy washed over her. She had done it, not perfectly, but she had done it. Mia's performance sparked something in her classmates. Over the next few weeks, others started sharing their hidden talents, inspired by her courage to step out of her comfort zone. Mia joined the dance studio and found that her fears didn't disappear overnight, but shrank with each practice session and performance. Years later, Mia became a dance instructor, encouraging others to overcome their own fears. Her students often came to her, worried they weren't good enough. She would smile and say, "It's not about being perfect. It's about doing what you love."